Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDC from your MetaMask wallet to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move assets securely and efficiently, especially with all the updates in the blockchain space. This step-by-step guide will have you transferring in no time, and we'll keep it straightforward so you can follow along easily. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and funded. You'll need MetaMask installed as a browser extension or app, and Coinbase Wallet ready on your phone or device. Also, ensure you're on the correct network, probably Ethereum, since USDC is an ERC20 token. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your MetaMask wallet and select the account that holds your USDC. Look for the USDC token in your assets list. If it's not there, you might need to add it manually by searching for the contract address. Once you see your USDC balance, click on it to open the details. Next, hit the Send button. Now, you'll need the recipient address from your Coinbase wallet. Open your Coinbase Wallet app, go to the Receive section, and copy the address for USDC. Make sure it's the exact address to avoid any mishaps. Double check for typos. Back in MetaMask, paste that address into the To field, enter the amount of USDC you want to send, and review the transaction fees. These can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that. Hit Next, and then Confirm to broadcast the transaction. You'll see a confirmation pop-up. Make sure everything looks right before proceeding. After you confirm, wait for the transaction to process on the blockchain. It usually takes a minute or two in 2025, thanks to faster networks. Once it's done, head back to your Coinbase wallet and refresh to see your USDC arrive. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your USDC. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and be wary of scams. If you run into any issues, check the Ethereum network status or reach out to support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.